2025 data shows that 87% of companies worldwide and 99% of Fortune 500 firms are using AI to screen candidates before any human even sees your job application. The AI is judging you in seconds, and it's scanning for your personal brand signals you probably don't have. Your job is not secure. Your personal brand is the only safety net that survives AI, layoffs and restructures, whether you're employed or you're running a business. I'm Nat Schooler. I'm an ex-IBM futurist, and this is your AI career survival guide. You got to remember, you are not your job title. Your job title is just a label on a box. It's not who you are. The real value is in the expertise inside that box, or even outside. And most of you never show that expertise anywhere people can see it. That AI screening you, it can't find what you don't display. AI is killing generic profiles. If your LinkedIn looks like other senior managers or founders, you've basically volunteered to be replaceable. The AI isn't looking at your years of experience. It's looking for distinctive signals that make you worth a human's time. And that is, you're different, you're interesting, you're not the same as everybody else. And if you're out of sight, you're out of money. HR, clients and decision makers can only pay people they can actually find and understand. And if you're visible online, or you've got a picture of you drunk on a Saturday night, passed out, you're invisible in their budget. With 87% of companies using AI to filter candidates, being invisible means you never even make it to the maybe pile. So what's HR really doing if they even see your job application? Roughly around 75% of teams are required to look you up online before an interview. But here's the problem. They're not just reading your CV, they're judging your entire personal brand in under 30 seconds. And if the AI already screened you out because you look generic, they never even get the chance to do that. Clients do exactly what HR does. They Google you, they skim your LinkedIn profile, maybe your website. If they can't work out who you are and what problem you solve, they move on to someone clearer. With everyone using AI to research faster, you've even less time to make an impression. And it's all right if you're thinking, oh, well, I have a great headshot, this and that. Well, do you know what? A logo and a headshot is the last thing you need to think about. You need to focus on your brand, your words, and what those words actually mean. The words are used to describe who you help and what problem you solve. The AI and the human both need to understand this in 10 seconds or you're out. There's also the 12-year-old test. If a 12-year-old can't repeat back to you what you do after 10 seconds, your message is too vague or too full of jargon. Vague people don't get promoted, hired or remembered. Both AI and humans need clarity. Anything else really is just a skip. Your employer owns your laptop, your email address, your job title. You own your name, your reputation, and your body of work in most cases. That's your portable asset. It travels with you. When the AI screens candidates for your replacement, your personal brand is what keeps you in the game or gets you hired elsewhere fast. When you get your wording right and people finally get the problem you solve, opportunities compress. That's how you turn one speaking gig, one day of consulting into what used to be a month's salary. And when 99% of Fortune 500 companies are using AI to find people like you better make sure they can actually find you and understand you. The 10-minute survival exercise for employees and entrepreneurs. Just take 10 minutes today and write this down. Who you help, the specific problem that you solve, and the results that they get. That becomes the backbone of your LinkedIn headline, about section, and website intro. This isn't vanity. This is survival data for the AI that's screening you and the human who Googles you. If you don't define this, AI and HR will define you as optional. 80% of companies are using AI to screen right now, and 99% of Fortune 500 firms have this tech running. In this AI Career Survival Guide series, I'm talking to HR leaders and entrepreneurs about exactly how they judge you online and what's happening in the world of human resources and recruitment. So fix your message now, do not be generic, or you will not even make it to the recruiter making the decision. AI is rewriting the rules of business. For non-technical leaders, the risk of becoming obsolete is real. But you don't need to panic, and you don't need to learn how to code. My name is Nat Skula. I'm an ex-IBM futurist, and after 500 interviews with global executives, I've built the definitive blueprint for career success and survival. Influential Visions shows you exactly how to stay irreplaceable when AI can replace pretty much anyone else. No complex theory, just proven strategies. Subscribe to protect your professional future and start your $1 trial to Monday Influencer at the link below. Your competitive advantage starts now.
Thanks very much for listening to Influential Visions. Please make sure you share this episode with your friends and business connections. And don't forget to drop us a review wherever you listen. Thanks.